So now let's see how we can work around with the active camera and airbrush effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then from keying, I'm going to go around and choose from new blue art effect elements right here. And here you can see that active camera is an effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here, then what happens is that you can see the active camera effect. Press the play button right here and you can see that it actually shakes around right here just like this, which is the active camera effect. You can go around and change around the horizontal effect right here and the vertical effect, and then change around the crop as well and change around the rate of the effect as well. And then that is the end result, as you can see right here. It seems as if someone is hand holding the camera. You can change around the jitter right here just like this, and that is what you have, as if someone is hand holding right here. And there's a bit of blur as well, so that is where the jitter actually comes in. You can go around and change around the jitter to much more as well, and that is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with the active camera settings right here. Apart from that, you can go around and apply airbrush effect right here, which makes the video look as if it is being sprayed on right here just like this, and that is the effect that you have right here with the active camera and airbrush. So that is how you can work around with active camera and airbrush effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.